Hi, I'm Robbie,
And I'm Mariah.
and today we're going to teach you how to calculate your throwing speed.
Have you ever wondered how fast you can throw something? There's a very simple way to calculate this number.
First, you need a few items to calculate your numbers. You're going to start with needing a ruler to measure the amount of distance from where you are to where the ball lands, as well as a timer, which you can find on any smartphone, and then you're going to need a ball to throw.
Next, record your time while the ball is landing. Have someone go out and throw the ball and have someone else do the stopwatch and the video so you can get how far it went and you can get the time. Make sure you start your stopwatch early so you can get all of the seconds accounted for. You can't really see in the video, but we set a ruler where Robbie threw it from, and then where he saw it land is where he's standing. So then we can take the ruler and measure from where he started to where he ended, and that will give us our distance. Robbie threw the basketball 19 feet and 5 inches, and if you divide that by 3.28, which is the conversion to make it meters, because in our equation we have to have it meters, it is 5.92 meters. He threw the ball. Upon looking back on Robbie's throw video, he releases the ball at 8.44 seconds and it hits the ground at 9 seconds. We calculated this by looking at what the bottom of it says when you record with your stopwatch in the corner. You then subtract these numbers. After subtracting these two numbers, you end up with 0.56 seconds. You then take those seconds, and the equation we use is velocity, which is how fast you're throwing the ball, equals the distance it was thrown over the time it took. So since our distance is 5.92, we divide by the time, which is 0.56. This is meters and these are seconds. Once you divide your distance over your time, Robbie threw 10.57 meters a second. And then if you would like to change that to miles per hour, you do times 2.24. And that will give you your speed you threw it per hour, which Robbie's was 23.7 miles an hour, which is pretty speedy.
Now we're going to calculate Mariah's throwing speed. So as you can see here, Mariah's throw equaled 30 foot and 7 inches, and we used 3.28, which is the conversion number to convert feet to meters, and we ended up with 9.32 meters. And then down here we took the release time, which was 2.6 seconds, and then the time that it hits the ground, which was 3.72 seconds. And then we figured out the difference in time,
which was 1.12 seconds.
And then we're going to use this equation to figure. Now you can see that we use this equation, but we put our numbers in it. So we have velocity equals, speed, velocity, yeah, same thing, equals the distance, which was 9.32 meters, and the difference in time, which was the time it took to travel from when she released the ball to when it hit the ground, which is 1.12 seconds. And then that equaled 8.3 meters per second. You take that down here, take 8.3 meters per second, multiply it by 2.24, and then, because that's a conversion number, and then that becomes 18.6 miles per hour.
So Robbie threw a little bit faster than me, but not by much. We hope this video has brought you some entertainment during this unprecedented time.
And we hope that you're staying happy and healthy through this pandemic. And as always, keep experimenting.